Well, I have the back of my van completed. And then I got to come over on the side here and start working on this. I removed a lot of the pieces and replaced them with more dark stuff. And it's going to have this rusted finish. Rusted steel. Well, Darkride now is coming along, and I finished the back, and now I'm going to work on the front and the waterfall. Now I'm here on the front, and this dragon character's come out of the hood, and I got a couple skulls. One on this side, one over here. This all needs to be stained. I got the base silver coat on, but I got to stain it and turn it into rust. And then up here I got this guy, and he also needs some work, make him look like steel rust. And the waterfall is going to come out right out of his mouth. Of course, it'll be a blood fall. I'll put red food coloring in it. Yeah, this guy needs to be stained, and these two skulls on the side. And this stuff I'm going to stain it, but I might put some more stuff over it too, give it some more flavor. So this is what it looks like when it's all stained, and got a lot of textures and different things. But basically, yeah, I paint it silver like this first, and then I do the black stain, then I spray a little orange spray paint, a little more black stain, and then I wipe it off, and I just keep adding things and changing it till it gives me that look. And then I take some steel wool over it too, and kind of create some highlights like here and here. But it comes out pretty good. So anyway, I did that. I did this hand. I did this guy over here. He looks good. Look at all these little textures. Aren't those cool? He really looks like steel. And I still got to do this hand, the head, all of the hood, all these little skulls along here. And then I'll climb up here. I may do this part tomorrow up here, but we'll see.